everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be walking around this beauty behind me here, which is the Burstner Elegance I910. The best way to describe this vehicle is a penthouse on wheels. So we'll jump right in, talk through some specification and give you a look inside the vehicle. Built on the popular Mercedes. It's 170 brake horsepower with a 2.2 litre engine. It's just under the 9 metre mark, so if you do want something that gives you that space, this is definitely the vehicle for you. We've got our 17-inch Mercedes alloys. Now they do come as standard with 16-inch, but we have upgraded them. While we're at it, we've upgraded the paint to the silver metallic. So it is very smart looking on the outside. So we have the Alco chassis with the Burstner Elegance, which is fairly essential with it being 9 metre long. Your Alco chassis is your premium build. You've got your extra stability whenever you're driving. You've also got your double floor storage that comes with the Alco. Got a little shower point here. And then on the roof we have an 100-watt solar panel. So at the back we have our reverse camera, which is, I would consider it essential for myself driving something that size. You mightn't, but I think it is a great thing to have. At the side is our enormous garage. So you've plenty of space in there for your getaways. We have dual access to our garage. We've got our full length full omnistrator awning. Now that is black. So it does tie in with the colour scheme very well. You've got your TV point, so if you are planning to hook up and stay somewhere for a few days, I mean, why not bring your TV outside? So you've got that there, and then beside that you've got your barbecue point. As soon as you step into the lounge, folks, you're just greeted with luxury and ambience. You've got all your direct lighting, all your ambient lighting. Our upholstery is finished off in full leather. It's in the shade Lima, so it's a lovely cream colour. You're not missing out on luxury in the driver's seat either. You've got your heated driver and passenger seat, again finished off in the shade Lima. We've got all the gadgets in the front in the MBUX infotainment system, your reverse cameras in there, you've got your CarPlay, your Android Auto, everything you could practically think you need. So we've got the Burstner Connect pack with our Elegance, so that includes your Wi-Fi, that's built in there. You've also got your Aldi, so your Prestige heating system in this van, of course. That's in this cupboard, and you've also got your touchscreen control panel. You've got your 32-inch TV, so that obviously swivels. And then look at this for a wine rack. Love it. So your kitchen area is just beside your lounge. You've got a huge fridge freezer, and you can open it from both sides. You've plenty of storage. The cabinetry is beautiful. It's all finished in a lovely gloss brown and white colour scheme. We've got our Thetford combi oven and grill. And then underneath your glass is 3-ring gas burners. It's very sleek in the kitchen area and full of little clever designs. So we've got our bedroom and bathroom area towards the back of the vehicle. Now your toilet is in here, and this door can close over the lounge from the bedroom. Your sink's over at this side. You've got an absolute abundance of space here to get ready in the mornings, get ready in the evenings. Your shower is over here. And then beside that you've got your full-size wardrobe for your storage. So guys, this isn't any ordinary toilet. The Burstner Elegance actually comes with the Thetford Indus system. So it's a resource-saving, fully automated sanitation solution, but it basically treats your grey wastewater and flushes it intelligently. Now, you don't have to worry about your grey wastewater tanks or your fresh wastewater tanks in the winter, because it does come with the winter pack, so your fresh water and your wastewater tanks are heated. Welcome to the bedroom. So at the back we've got our 2 single bed layouts. Now what I like about this is there isn't a great deal of climbing involved to get into these, because I know sometimes they are pretty high up, but not in this case. You've got huge storage underneath, obviously with your garage being in there, but you've also got a bit of internal storage as well, which was pretty clever. So there's that, and then you can pull this into a large double bed. You've actually got little controls for your ambient lighting in the back, which is a lovely feature, so you can adjust them at either side, and then you've got your light switches just beside. So because this is an A-class, we have our drop-down double bed over the driver and the passenger seat. So you've got a huge double bed. Now it is electrically adjustable, which is just more user-friendly, so it all really just comes down with the push of a button. Just make sure your little seatbelt straps are unlocked. And that comes down nice and low, so you can really just climb in the seat or use your ladder to climb on in. You've got 2 USB ports as well, which is handy for charging your phone and other bits and bobs. So guys, we'll definitely not need this today because I have the heating on full boot here, but we've actually got our Telair Habitation aircon with us. But that being said, come on down and view it for yourself. If you're after a luxurious motorhome, this is the one for you. It feels like a hotel on wheels. So come on down and see us. You can give us a call on 028 9269 3999, or you can send me a wee email if you have any questions. It's charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.